Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Srinivas Nature Clicks. In this video you are watching the largest bird in India, largest flying bird in the India, that is Sarus crane. As such, Sarus crane is its height is about 5.8 feet, and it is arguably one of the largest bird in the world. As such, Sarus crane is a non-migratory bird, and it spends most of its life in one part of the world. And like most of the cranes, the mates it mates for life, and usually it makes one or two eggs, and mostly it breeds near paddy fields and reservoirs. Hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, please subscribe and share. Thank you.